Lose 30 pounds in a month with this lemon-based shake. Lemon is one of the most beneficial fruits for the human body. It is considered an ally for slimming and keeping the body healthy and fit. Ingredients: 1 cup of melon pieces, 1 cup with cucumber pieces, 1 cup skim milk, 2 tablespoons liquid sweetener, 1 teaspoon ginger, and finally, the juice of a lemon. Preparation: remove the shells and seeds that have some ingredients. Then put all the elements in the blender. When the mixture is homogeneous, it is time to add the liquid sweetener and let it stand for a few minutes. When should you drink this shake? It can be in the morning, before breakfast, or before dinner for 1 month. Thanks to it you can lose 30 pounds. This is one of the recipes with which our subscribers have obtained the best results in their weight loss process, and that is why we share it with you. If you decide to drink the lemon-based shake, lose weight, and take the advice, leave us an I like video. When you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to activate the bell to receive more videos like this.